Okay, wait. Now I'm going to present my screen, okay?
Okay.
Doctor.
Now is it shared?
I see black so far. Okay, now I see it.
Same.
I see it.
I see water drops.
Okay, great. Can I really touch with? Well, hello.
Hello.
Can you listen to me?
Yep, I
Can you
hear
listen
you.
to me?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so let's begin today's class. Okay, so in the previous class we have studied the alternative method of subtraction. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
I hope you understand. If you have any confusion, you can ask me.
Wait a minute. Wait, did you say we were adding fractions yesterday? Like last time?
Actually, I'm asking in the previous class, I have to study about the subtraction. I think a different way of subtraction. Have you remember
Yeah.
that?
It was
I,
a different way of
yeah,
multiplying.
yeah. This is multiply. Oh, sorry. Ha, you're right.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm teaching also third grade. That's why that is mixed with it. So, where is the multiplication? Okay, now it's come. Now tell me how many streams are tables know. Can I take a test?
Sure.
So can you you have about 5 minutes, okay? Now just write tables.
Okay.
1 to 15. Fast. You have 5 minutes. Now start the write
My computer
tables.
just broke.
What? Write table. Write table in your copy and show me. 5 to 2. You have any problem? But don't cheat, okay? Don't note from anywhere. You have to learn it. 580. Where are you? 580. Only 1 minute, only 2 minutes is left.
Oh my God.
Class is over. Copy fast. I put show me your copy, everyone.
I can only get up to 5. Oh my god, I don't know how am I gonna show it. Like, oh my god, go so far away. Oh, I got 2 lines. How about let's just do like, I don't know.
Okay. So, tell me how. Just take a picture and send in a group. Just take a picture fast.
Oh crap.
You have a mobile. You have a mobile right now. What are you saying? Can you listen to me?
I can't do it because I have a laptop and I don't know how to take pictures with a laptop right now.
Okay, you have a laptop, so you can.
I know how to type.
Okay, fine. Tell me how many tables are you right? 1 to 5, 1 to 6. How many? Okay, fine. Just leave it. Just tell me how many tables are you right? Because I can't see clearly. That's why I'm saying to you. Tell me.
I did as much as I can up to 5, I think. Up to 5.
Okay. How many tables are you learned?
Probably from 11.
Sure. You
Wait.
have to remember. You have to remember about 15. Okay.
Okay.
You have to try to learn. I will give you two days. Maybe I will ask in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
Now tell me, 8 to 4. How many tables are you writing in your notebook?
I've only written 3 tables.
Okay. Just speed. You have to increase your speed, and you have to learn. Must learn. Everyone, listen to me. You have to learn 1 to 10 table. That is very, very, very important. Okay. After then, if you learn like 11, 12, 13, that is increase your fluency for the multiplication. But you have to learn always 1 to I mean 2 to 10. That is very important. Everyone learns table. Okay. So tell me fast. 5 to 7. How many tables are you right?
I only wrote 3, but I know like up to like 30, 35.
35?
Yeah.
You can write 35 tables. Okay, to find, can you write 19 tables?
Okay.
Okay, 5 to 2. How many tables are you right? Tell me. Now, 597.
Wait, what? Yes.
You have to solve the question. Don't waste your time. You have to write. You can solve the question. Like
Let's
you
try.
can solve.
Wait.
You can solve the question. This and 5 and 8 to 4. You solve 8 number question. Okay. Don't sit freely.
Wait. Miss, I didn't see your
Yeah.
mouse. What are we supposed to do?
Can you? You don't wait. I'm going to create my file. Now, is it visible?
Okay, I'm supposed to do those 2 that you check marked.
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
8 to 4. 8 for you. And 5 to 2. Tell me how many tables are you right?
She didn't see it. Ma'am,
Yeah.
I did the problem that you want. Sorry, never mind.
You can't solve. Tell me 5 to 2. How many tables are you right in your copy? Fast.
I wrote 2.
2. How many tables are you learn?
I wrote
About
2.
how much?
How much you know something?
How much? How much tables are you? You have like 1 up to 2 to 20, 2 to 15, 2 to 10. 5 to 2. Where you say
I know. Okay.
about 10. Okay. So can you solve the question number 4? Show me answer. Solve the question number 4. 5 to 2. Solve question number 4. 581.
Yeah.
How many tables are you know?
I think I know all the way to 11.
11. Okay, it is sufficient, but you can increase your table length. Like you also learn 11, 12, 13, and 15. Must you have to remember 15, but 11 is sufficient, but you can increase your table. Okay. So now you can solve question number 2. Oh no, you can solve question number 5. Show me.
Okay.
So I can see. So you have to put down. Okay. Okay, good. I think the answer. There is some mistake. No, your answer is correct. Good, good. 5 to 2. Your answer. Okay, your answer is what? Which question are you to? I can't see. Okay.
No, she didn't see it.
Okay, 8 to 8 to 4. I think you learn your. Okay, great. I hope you understand. Very good. You are following. You are follow the rule. Previous rule. Yes or no?
Yes.
Good. Okay. 580. 580.
Yes.
How many tables are you right?
How many tables I wrote?
Only. Tell me
I
how
wrote
many
4
tables.
of them.
How many tables are you learned?
I've, I know all the way up to like 40 or 30.
40 tables. 30.
30 to
Okay.
40.
Okay. Okay. You can increase one more. 15. Okay. You have to learn 15 till 15. But you have to learn fluency. You have to learn with fluency up to 10. That is a very important. Okay.
Okay.
So you can. Okay. Now we can solve the question number first. First. Show me your copy. Okay. So now I think. So let's say. Hello, everyone. Listen to me.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now discussion is complete. Let's start the next topic. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, I hope you're right. Okay. Okay, good. 581. I hope you're right. So let's take topic. Okay, fine. Today we are studying about multiplication by 2 digits. Okay. Wait.
Okay.
So multiply. Yeah. So anything? Listen to me, everyone. The question is that the topic is that multiplication by 2 digits. Here, multiply by the 2-digit number ending with what? Ending with 10. It means if you have a digit multiply with 10, then what step we follow? The step first is that write 0 in the ones place. What we have to do? We have to write 0 in the ones place. If in the 2-digit number ending with 0. Okay, and the second digit is that multiply number by a digit in the tens place. Okay, fine. So that is the step. So let's check the question. You can see this is a question. For example, if you have a number like, you can see, wait. Now tell me, is it clear, everyone? My screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Can it can which one please read this? That is what? Can anybody read this?
215 times 10 equals
Okay.
2,115.
Okay, fine. So you can see here, if you multiply with 10, it means you can see here is multiply with 0. You can see here, yes or no? Here is comes in the ones place comes 0 and the tens place ones is come. The question is that if if you have a multiply of 0, you have to write in the which place you have to write in the ones place 0. You can see here is writing 0 in the ones place. After we have to multiply with other numbers. You can see here. So same here, if you multiply like 1, 2, 5. Okay.
Okay.
And if you have a number 50, tell me what is the answer. First. Don't write in your copy, just tell me. Don't write in your copy, just tell me. If you multiply, you can see here. Wait, you can see here, 0 is come. Okay. So firstly, what we have to write? We have to write 0. Okay.
Mhm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
That is a rule. That is a step. If anywhere it comes 0, then firstly we have to write 0. Okay.
Mm.
And after then we have to multiply with these numbers. Okay.
Mm.
Now, 5 into 5 is what? Tell me. 5 into 5 is?
25. 5 times 5 equals 25.
Okay, show me. Okay, good. Wait. Good.
No, close.
Okay, I hope you're right. Okay, good. 522 and 537. Okay, you're solving. That's good. 522, very good. But listen to me what I'm saying. Good. You can match your answer. So what I'm right, we have to multiply with 5. Then we have 25, which means we have to write only 5. Okay. After then, 5 times 7. 5 times 7, there is any problem? 5 times 7.
There's no problem.
Your skin, I think your skin is not working. I can't see your video. Okay, fine. Then we multiply with 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is what?
5 into 2 is 10.
5 into 2 is 10. Then we add 2 more. It means we have 12. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we have left one number. Now we have 5 into 1. 5 and 1, which means 5. Now again we add 1, which means we have 6,250. Yes or no?
Yes.
If your answer is this, then you're right. Okay, that is the answer. So the rule is that if anywhere it comes 0, so we have to put in the ones place what? We put 0. Okay. These are the example. You can see. If you multiply with 42 with 20, in the 20, 0 comes and 0 comes in the place of ones place. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. That is the property, maybe we can say, and that is the rule. Okay. Now we have some questions. You can solve. Now tell me answer without writing in your notebook. Tell me answer fast, one by one. The question for 8 to 4. Tell me the answer without note down in your copy.
27 times 30.
Firstly, we have to write. Firstly, we have
Zero.
to write what?
Yeah, the first
fine.
thing you have to
We have to
zero.
write. Okay, fine then.
And 3 times 7 equals 21.
Okay, 21 is, we have to write what? 1.
1. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Okay. Okay, after that,
Uh,
fast.
uh,
See, 2 into 3 into 2. 2 into 2. 3 into 2 is what?
3 and 2 equals 6.
Yes. Now we have to add. 6 plus 2 is
6
8.
plus 2 equals 8.
Yes. Now answer is, wait,
801.
810. Answer is 810. Is there any problem?
No.
Now, question for 5 to 2. 5 to 2. Tell me. Question number 3. 5 to 2. Can you listen to me? 5 to 2. I'm talking with you.
Huh?
What's the problem? Tell me answer. Tell me answer without note down in your notebook. Question number 3 is for you. Tell me answer. Firstly, what we have to write?
A 0.
Okay. Firstly, we have to write 0. Then
Zero.
no, we can't write again 0. You can see here. Firstly, only one 0 is come here. So now you have to put 0. Then after that, we have, if you multiply 7 is to 4. 7 to 4 is what? 7 to 4 is what? It's 28. It means we have to write 8. Okay. And after that, tell me 5 to 2. Tell me. If you multiply with 4, that means you have 28. 7 multiplied with 4 is 28. You can see here this. Is there any problem? Part 8-1, you have any doubt, anyone? You can solve in your copy. If I am not asking your question, then you can note down in your copy. Question solve in your copy.
Can you do this one for me in your head?
Part 2. Part 2 solve in your copy part. Which one is complete this question? Raise your hands. Which one is complete this question? 597.
Yes.
Now, can you complete this question?
Number 5, you're saying?
No, number 3.
Number 3. Okay.
Yes.
See here.
So everyone solve in your copy. Question number 4 and 6 solve in your copy.
Okay.
4 and 2 solve in your copy fast. Don't sit freely. I'm saying 580. 580. Right? Answer in your copy 2 and 4. And 597. Tell me answer third. Part 97. And listen to me.
Yes.
Tell me answer. What we have right without note down in your copy. Tell me answer.
Okay. Just okay. 7,800 and 980.
Yes. Now, okay, fine. Your answer is maybe correct, but we have to solve like here. So, what firstly we have to put with 0. You can see here. Yes or no? After
Yeah.
then, you have to multiply with 4. It means we have to write 8, not 28, because 2 is comes with 1 for the addition. 7 into 1 is 7, which means we have to add 2. It means comes here 9. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now you can see only 1 is left. It means we have to multiply with 7. 7 into 1 is 7. It means your answer is 7,980.
980.
Yes, so that is the answer. Okay. Okay, fine. I hope you can solve the questions. Let's take another example. Now, let's talk about the. Listen to me.
Mm-hmm.
Let's solve a different type of question. Multiply. Wait. Listen to me. Let's solve multiply by 2 digits. What I am doing? Multiply by 2 digit number not in with 0. You can see here. Here is not in with 0. You can see. So what we have to do? We have to do what? The step 1. we have two numbers. You can see we have 32 and 27. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now, firstly, you can see we can multiply only with one number. Like we have 312, or we can multiply with only single digit, like 5. Yes or no? Now we are solving with 2 digits. Okay.
Okay.
So question for you. You can see so we have 32 and 27. So firstly, you can see the 32 is right here. Yes or no? 32. Okay, what I'm writing. So after then we have 27. You can see 27 is the addition of 20 and 7. Yes or no?
Yes.
You can see 27 is the addition of 20 and 7. It means we have to, here is writing place value. 7 comes in the 1st place and 20 comes in the 10th place. So firstly we have to multiply with 27. 37 multiply with 7. It means firstly we have to multiply 7 with 37. After then 20 multiply with 37. Is there any problem? What I'm saying? Listen to me again. Firstly, we have to break in place value. Okay. What is the first step? Firstly, we have to break with place value. After then, take one by one multiplication. Firstly, we have to multiply with ones place. Ones place comes 7. So we have to multiply with 7. 32. It means 7 into 2 is 14. Okay.
Okay.
So 14, it means we have to add one more, and 7 into 3 is 21. In 21, we have to add one more. It means 224 is come. And after then, what we take? After then, you can see here 20 is left. Now we have to multiply with 20. 20 multiply with 32. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, you can see here the second step. You can see here the first step is we can solve here. Now second step is that 20 is left. Now we have to multiply 20 with 32. You can see here. In the second step comes down. So you can see if you multiply with 20, 0 is comes here. So in the if 0 is comes here, so we have to put in the ones place 0. Yes or no? And after then we can solve. It means 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. And after then we have to just add. Can you add this?
Miss, I have a little question. My daddy taught me like a different way, but and it's a little more easier.
Yes, it will. Your daddy tell your answer a little bit easier. Is it this is difficult for you?
Yeah, the one you're teaching me is kind of difficult. I don't really understand it that much.
Okay, fine. I will teach you again. Then you can solve. Listen to me. What I'm doing. But is it just a simple thing? Firstly, we have to multiply with 7. You can see here. Firstly, we have to take this number, multiply with 7. 7 into 2 is 14. Okay, is there any problem? And after then, we have to multiply 7 with 3. Then we got this number. You can see here. And you can see, you know that 20 comes in the, 2 comes in the 20 place. That's why we have to take as a 20. You can see here. So firstly, we have to put 0. And after then, we multiply with these numbers. It means 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 3 is 6. After then, we have to just add. It means 4 plus 0 is 4. And 4 plus 2 is 6. And 6 plus 2 is what? 8. Yes or no? Tell me, everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
Hi.
Who's saying 5?
The teacher name. Hi, Nancy.
Hello? Oh, I can't see anyone.
My daughter was asking like why she can't do this method because I taught her like this way a long time ago.
Actually, this is a method which is given in a book. That is a type of solving. We can solve this method. If you know different method, then that's
Which
a
one
good
is
thing.
do I have to learn in this way or is easier to learn in this way?
If your method is easy, then you can solve your method because anyone can teach. Yeah, you can learn with those methods which is easy for you. You can solve.
I'm just asking question. I don't know which one is easier, but I'm just asking is maybe this one looks complex to me, you know. Just a suggestion.
Okay. I think I want to go with your method, but I don't know which method is yours.
Okay.
So that's why I'm teaching this method because that is given in this book.
Oh, okay. All right. Just a question. No, I'm not like arguing
Okay,
with
no.
you. Just a question.
Okay, no problem. Because that is
Thank you.
given in the book I am teaching.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, no problem. You're most welcome. So, so tell me, everyone, it is complicated. Can you, everyone, since first of all, tell me, are you understand? No. Listen to me. Now I'm doing a question. Then you can understand very easily. Let's take an example. Tell me one by one. Okay. Wait, is there any problem? What's the problem with this? Is there any problem?
Is there something the matter?
Yeah, there is a network issue, I think. I can't see anything and there is shit. Wait for a minute. Man. Now you can don't sit freely again. I want to say you can continue your table if you sit freely. Then you can continue your table. You can write the table. Don't sit freely.
Like the tables that we just did this in like the start of the meeting.
Okay, wait. My computer is not working right now, I think. Shit. Okay, now I'm back. Listen to me.
Okay.
Okay, is there any problem? Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I can't write right now. Okay, fine. So, for example, listen to me.
Miss
Listen to me.
Miss Nancy, there's a little. Okay.
Okay, fine. Now problem is solved. I think there is no network issue right now. So you can see, I'm telling you the different way of solving multiplication. For example, if you have 17, I mean, you can, if you multiply with 2 digits. Okay.
Okay.
So firstly, what we do? So firstly, we can solve the question. You have to just first step is that we have to multiply. That is the first step. Listen, that is the first step. What we have to do? We have to multiply with. You don't write here. I'm just telling you for the step. Don't write like this. You have to learn this step. It means 3 is multiplied with 27. Okay. So if you multiply 3 multiplied with 27, what we have to write? You can see 3 into 7 is what? Tell me fast. Tell me. Be alert.
2 times 7 is 14.
No, I'm multiply. You can see here 17 multiplied with 3, or you can say 3 multiplied with 17. It means you can multiply with 3. 3 multiplied with 7 first. You can see here. We take a smaller number for the multiplication. Yes. So 3 multiplied with 7. So tell me what we have.
3 multiplied by 7 equals 21.
Yes. It means we have to write 1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. After then, you know that 21, we are not writing, we are only writing 1. It means 2 comes here for the addition. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. 3 into 1. You can see, firstly, we have to multiply with this number. And after then, we multiply with this number. It means, firstly, we have to multiply with 1. And after then, we multiply with 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Listen to me carefully. That is easy method. Don't take too much difficult, like 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we have to add 2 more because 2 is given here for the addition. It means 3, 4 and 5. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So let's multiply with 2. No, you all know that 2 comes in which place? Tell me. 2 comes in which place? 1st place or 10th place?
She's asking who the card place card.
The 2 is in the 10s place.
Yes, 2 comes in the 10th place. So that's why you can see 2 comes in the 10th place. That's why in this place we have to put down 0. Okay. Now we have to multiply that. Why I'm writing 0? Because 23 is the addition of 20 plus 3. Yes or no?
Oh, I get it.
Okay. It just don't write all these things. Don't write all these things. We have to write only this. We have to concentrate only this.
Okay.
So you can see here 20. Now we can solve this. 3 into 27. 3 multiply with 17. Now 20 is left. So what we have to do? We have to multiply 20 with 27. I mean, sorry, 17. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because 3 is multiplied already with 17. Now you can see 20 comes in the 2 place. That's why we have to multiply with 20, not 2. Then 70. If you multiply with 20 with 17, you can see 0 is comes here. That's why I'm writing here 0. Is there any problem? No.
No.
So after then we have to multiply. So now you can see 0 already writing here. Okay, fine. So now we have to multiply with 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now 2 is multiplied with 7.
14.
So okay, comes to 14. Now you can see you have to just write addition. That's it. Right. Question is there is no problem, I think. Don't take too much difficult. Here, firstly, you can see we have to multiply with 3. It means in the first step, we have to multiply 17 with 3, yes or no? And after that, in the second step, we have to multiply with 17 with 20. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
And if you after the multiplication, just we have to add. That's it. That's it.
Is
Now,
17
just add
times
it.
23 391?
No. Yeah, you are adding this.
I got
If you are adding this, then
391.
you
Supposed to do 2, 7, 14.
so it comes 1,471. Answer is 471 is the answer.
Okay.
Wait for a minute. I hope you understand. Can you solve one more question? Let's take another example. If you have 22, listen to me. If you have 22 and you are multiplied with 21, so tell me what you do. What we have to do first step. Firstly, what we do? Tell me.
Times 2.
First, we gotta times the ones place.
What?
First, we gotta times the ones place.
Yeah, I know that. Listen to me. Just for the first, just for the for make the easy. That's why I'm writing all these steps. We don't write like you know that 21 comes with the 20 plus 1. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Actually, these are, there is no need to write here. Just for the knowledge, I will tell you, I'm telling you how to solve the question. There is no need for all these things. You have to solve this here. Now you can see. You can see here 1 comes here and 2 comes here. So firstly, we have to multiply this number. It means 1 place with 22. Yes or no? You can see. 1 into 2 is 2. Yes or no?
Yes.
Listen, I think there is a lot of problem for you. I'm teaching difficulty.
Understand.
After then, what we have to do? Tell me.
Gotta times the the ones.
1 times 2.
What we have to do? Tell me fast. Tell me second step.
1 times 2.
Yeah. 1 times 2, you can say 2 times 1, or you can say 1 times 2. It means 2 is comes. Yes or no?
Yes.
After that. Okay. Now, first step is complete. Yes or no? You can see first step is complete. Now, let's
22
now
times
we have to,
21 equals 462.
now you're solving pretty good. Okay, good. Now I'm teaching you, so that's why I'm solving with that method step by step. So you can see 2 comes here. Yes or no?
Yes.
So now, so you can see here 2 comes in the 20 page. Yes or no? It means, I mean, sorry, 2 comes in the 10th place. So that's why we have to write 0. Okay. Because 2 comes in the 10th place. That's why I'm writing 0 here. After then we have to multiply with this 22. 2 is multiplied with actually I'm writing like this. 2 into 2 multiplied with 1. And in the second step, we have to multiply 22 with what? 20. Okay.
Okay.
So that's why you can see here. That's why I'm writing 0 because 0 is comes here. Then after that we have to multiply with 2 into 2. 2 into 2 is what?
2 times 2 is 4.
4. Okay. Again 2 is coming here. So what is coming here? 2 into 2, 4. So you can see multiplication step is complete. Now we have to add. Tell me the answer.
462.
462. Yes. So that is the answer. Is there any problem?
No.
So maybe it's difficult. If that is understandable, can you solve the question number? Okay, fine. I will give you a question. Can you solve the question number? Wait. For you, we have 22 and.
Oh my god, get rid of this.
Can you solve this question? Just solve in your copy and show me.
Okay. 32 times 33. Good, okay. Oh, wait, not this one.
I'm sorry, you can step like this. I think there is any problem. There is any problem. Okay, wait. I think you're right. Wait, I'm going to solve. Wait for a 10. Wait for a 10 second. Wait for a 10 second. You can check your answer.
Okay.
5 to 2. Show me. Now you can see. Now I'm going to solve the question. Okay. Show me if you write the answer.
Oh, my answer. You want to see my answer?
Okay, wait. Okay, wait. Let's check. Okay. Now you can check your answer. Okay. Wait. Put down your no. Let's check. Okay. See here. Match 5 to 2. You can match your answer here. Okay. Everybody, listen to me. You can see here 33 multiplied with 37. Listen to me. 33 is multiplied with 32. So you know that 33 is addition of 3, 30 and 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
You know that. Don't write in your copy. You know that. You have to just know that. Don't write in your copy. Okay.
33.
After that, so after then, what we have to write? 3. We have to take 3 multiplication with 32. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now 3 into multiply with 2, it means 6. Yes or no? And 3 multiply with 3, it means 9. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So the second step is this. First step is the 32 is multiplied with 3. This is writing here already. Okay. And the second step is 32 is multiplied with again 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
Again, it's okay, fine. Wait. So again comes, sorry, 30 is come because 3 we have to multiply with 3 and after that multiply with 30. You can see here. So if you multiply with 30, it means 0 is comes here. Yes or no? After then we have to solve. 96 is again come. Now you have to just add it. 6, 0 is 6. 6 and 9 is 15. And after then we have to just add. So answer is 1056 is the answer. If your answer is 1056, then you are correct.
Yes.
8 to 4. I understand. Is there any problem?
I don't really understand it.
Okay, fine. Today I am posting the solution. Okay, fine. You can read these steps and you can solve in your copy. Okay, today's class is over because the time is up. So today I am posting the solution of the question. Okay. You can watch this copy like wait. What I'm saying. You can read these steps, then you can understand very well. I think you can see. Here you can see here. Here you can see. Yeah.
I got the answer right.
Wait. Today's class is over. I know that, but you can see. I am posting this page. You can see here. Here is given step. Multiply with 2 number not in with 0. It means we have to multiply with 0. We have to multiply those number which is not ended with 0. It means you can see these steps. You can see these steps. Okay.
Okay.
Then maybe you can understand. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So now you can leave the class. I will post your homework in your group. Bye bye. Take care.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Welcome.
Good.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Bye.
Bye.